Can you believe the Earth you stand on today was once nothing but a boiling ball of lava? What if I told you that everything, from the oceans we sail to the moon we gaze upon, was born from violent cosmic chaos? Today, on AI Tales and Wonders, we're going back 4.6 billion years to witness the birth of Earth and its miraculous transformation into a home for life. Buckle up, because this is the ultimate cosmic story you've been waiting for. Before the Earth, before the sun, there was only darkness. Floating in this abyss was a vast cold cloud of dust and gas, the solar nebula. It wasn't just a random cloud. This nebula was packed with the building blocks of stars and planets. But how did this tranquil cloud turn into the bustling solar system we know today? Enter the supernova explosion. Millions of years ago, a dying star exploded in a cataclysmic event. The energy from this supernova shook the solar nebula, causing it to collapse under its own gravity. Spinning faster and faster, this collapsing cloud flattened into a disk, the protoplanetary disk. At its heart, the intense heat and pressure gave birth to a fiery protostar. This protostar evolved into our sun, a blazing ball of nuclear fusion that now powers life on Earth. Not everything in the nebula ended up in the sun. Tiny grains of dust began sticking together, forming clumps that grew into larger and larger bodies. These were the planetesimals, the seeds of planets. Over millions of years, through countless collisions and mergers, these planetesimals became protoplanets. One of these protoplanets was Earth. But in its early days, Earth was far from the blue-green paradise we see today. It was a fiery hellscape, its surface covered in molten lava, constantly bombarded by asteroids. This was the Hadean Eon, a time when Earth's surface was an ocean of lava, and the air, if you could call it that, was thick with volcanic gases. But even in this inferno, the seeds of water and life were being planted. Some of these comets and asteroids carried water locked inside ice crystals. As they crashed into Earth, this water vaporized and later condensed to form the first oceans. Yes, the very oceans that cradle life today began as icy gifts from space. As Earth began to cool, something extraordinary happened. The molten planets started to separate into layers. Heavy elements like iron and nickel sank to the center, forming the core. Meanwhile, lighter elements floated to the surface, creating the crust. This process, known as differentiation, gave Earth its layered structure: the core, mantle, and crust. But Earth's story wouldn't be complete without the moon. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized body named Theia collided with Earth. The impact was so violent that it sent debris flying into space. Over time, this debris came together to form the moon. The moon didn't just light up our nights. It stabilized Earth's tilt, giving us seasons, and played a key role in the evolution of life. As Earth cooled further, water vapor condensed into rain, forming vast oceans. These oceans became the cradles of life. Volcanic gases like methane and carbon dioxide dissolved in the water, creating a soup of organic molecules. And somewhere in these primordial seas, the first signs of life emerged. From a chaotic, fiery beginning to a stable, life-sustaining planet, Earth's journey is nothing short of miraculous. Its perfect distance from the sun, the presence of water, and a protective magnetic field, all these factors made Earth the oasis it is today. The story of Earth reminds us how rare and precious our planet truly is. From cosmic collisions to the birth of oceans, every moment has led to this, a planet teeming with life. It's up to us to protect this incredible home for future generations. So the next time you look up at the moon or walk by the ocean, remember, you're standing on a 4.6 billion-year-old masterpiece. If you love this journey through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more cosmic stories on AI Tales and Wonders. Let us know in the comments. What fascinates you most about Earth's story? See you in the next adventure.